Dominic, our from Minika. At ayan na si Dominic Rose. There you go. Palakpakan natin si Dominic. Please, ladies and gentlemen, that is Dominic, our from Minikay, with the scientific name of Haliastur indus, or locally known as the Banud. Did you know that Brahminikites are bird of prey or raptor? Raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, now raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of foods from the other animals. Kaya naman ngayong hapon, guys, ipapakita ninyo manit yung kailang hati hapon ni Dominic po. Okay na Dominic? Okay. At dito na tayo Dominic, kailangan natin makuha yung karne. There you go! Palakpakan natin si Dominic. Dominic flew or soared to snatch his own food from Kuya Cyril. So ganyan po sila mag-hunt ng kanilang mga pagkain, especially in the wild. Siyempre, yung mga pogging trainer natin na si Kuya Richie, Kuya Cyril, and si Kuya Boy po. And by okay now, Candy, are you ready, boy? Nandito na si Kuya Boy. May dala na lang karne ngayong hapon sa mga bisita natin na gusto mag-take ng pictures and videos. Guys, pati-double check yung mga cameras natin, ha? And syempre, yung mga kilos natin, upo na po tayo sa ating mga upuan. Okay now, Dominic? Come here na po. Ayun mo ka, nakita na si Kuya Boy. Nakita na natin, folks. Hindi pa din yan si Dominic. Ay, si Kali. Ngayong hapon. Okay? Ayun po, nabili ba? Ayun ang mukha. Nakita na. Okay now, Kali, come here na, boy. Ay, ayan na nga. There you go. Palakpakan natin si Kali, folks. Okay, previewing muna tayo kay Kali ngayong hapon. Okay, ayan. Mapag-i-off lang po ng flash natin. That is Kali, our eastern grass owl, with scientific name of Tyton longhemembris amauronata, or locally known as the Kuwagu. Now guys, male grass owl have lighter facial disc, while female grass owl have brownish, so they cannot look up, down, left and right. Instead, they turn their neck 270 degrees. Fun fact about these raptors, they are the most quietest birds when they are in flight. Ibig sabihin, di natin maririnig yung kanilang mga pagaspas. Kayang personal trainer, thank you so much. Sinabang of you. Ayan, our white-bellied sea eagle. There you go, palakpakan natin si Lakas. Once again, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle, with the scientific name of Haliatus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white, and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the white-bellied sea eagle. Now, the white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near of coastal area of Australia, India, and here. Now, the white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that could reach up to 2.2 natin sila kasmis. At syempre, ang kanyang okay guys, hanapin po natin si Barak ngayong hapon na. Nakita mo natin si Barak? Ayan na po, that is Barak, our blue and gold mako with Kuya Dexter. O diba, napakakulay ni Barak, folks. Kuya Dexter, meron tayo dyan kung Kuya Dexter. Okay now folks, once again, that is Barak, our blue and gold mako, with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang po ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata, folks. Sabi syempre, ipapakita yan ni Barak ngayong hapon. Okay, Barak, high five tayo kay Kuya Dexter. Up here. High five na tayo, Barak. And there you go. Diba? Napakagaling. Pero mukhang nakakabitin, Kuya Dexter. Isa pa niyo, Kuya Dexter. High five up here. And there you go. Palakpakan natin si Barak, folks. And by the way, folks, parrots are affectionate and loving animals. Yes po, napakalambing po ng ating mga parrot, guys. Tingnan niyo to si Barak, guys, ha? Barak, kiss daw natin si Kuya Dexter sa pisngi. Sa cheek daw, Barak. Sige daw, be. Ay, isa lang. Ay, ayaw. Isa lang, Barak. Wow! Ay, diba napakalambing. Pero, Kuya Dexter, mukhang nakita ko sa mga bisita natin, Kuya Dexter, nakakabitin daw. Mukhang gusto niya panata ng isa, Kuya Dexter. Pero, hindi na sa cheek. Saan natin gusto, folks? Saan? Hala, sa lips daw, Kuya Dexter. Kato, Kuya Dexter. Okay, syempre, papibigyan natin yung mga bisita natin, Barak. Okay daw, sa lips naman daw, be. Ay, hala, ayaw, folks. Paano pa yan? Ay, sige lang po. Nabigyan natin, Barak. Please, sa kiss naman, boy. Sa lips naman daw. Sige lang. Wow! Palakpakan natin, di ba, folks? Napakalambing naman. And my boss do not build their nest. Instead, they will look for hollow tree or puno na may malaking butas. And they will collect some twigs or branches para ilagay sa butas na kanilang nakita. At ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni Barak ang kanilang nesting behavior by showing how to grab their twigs po. Okay? Gagamitin ni Barak yung kanyang prehensile beak ngayong hapon. Yan naman si Kuya Dexter natin dito ay may hawak-hawak na two twigs po. Okay, now Barak, Kuya Dexter, on the count of 3, labag natin yung kahoy. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay na Barak, ipakita natin sa labag kung paano tayo sa kuha ng mga twigs sa wall para magsisuming bugat natin. Ay, mukhang natakot sa tubig si Barak, folks. Okay na Barak, huwag kang matakot, boy. Okay, huwag kang Okay, isa pa daw Kuya Dexter, take 2 daw, eh. Ay, mukhang natakot si Barak sa tubig. Kaya magpasensyahan natin si Barak, folks. Ay, syempre, masilan din yan si Barak. Okay na po, eh? Okay, take 2 tayo. Parang kailangan natin magpapagleto yung ginagawa yes natin, Barak. Okay, ayan lang na. Ayaw talaga ni Barak, guys. Mukhang ayaw na sa dumi ko. Ayaw Kuya Dexter, mukhang kailangan natin ililisan yung sahig natin, Kuya Dexter. Okay, isa pa Barak, please. Huwag kang matapon, boy. Hindi ka naman aawayin ng tuloy. Okay, folks. We are still working with wild animals, okay? Ayan na Barak. There you go. That is prehensile beak in action, meaning they are able to grab things without using their feet. And as you can see, ginagamit ni Barak yung kanyang tuka to grab some object po. Okay, meron lang isa po. Huwag kang matapon sa dumi, okay? Ayun po, yung hapon si Barak folks. Ayaw na madumihan yung kanyang paa. Ayun, sige lang natin matatapos din yan si Barak. Slowly but surely, folks. Ayun na naman. Ayun, Kuya Dexter. Mukhang ilapit lang siguro natin, Kuya Dexter. Mukhang ayaw na talaga sa dumi, Kuya Dexter. Hindi, isang tao na lang, boy. Matatapos na tayo ngayong hapon at ayan na nga. Alongside Miss Prehensile Beak, ginagamit ni Barak yung kanyang Zygolacto Beak in action para mga akyat sa kahoy. And there you go. Palakpakan natin si Barak. Oh, ganyan Barak. Inuubos mo yung oras natin ngayong hapon, Barak. No, folks, before we say goodbye to Barak, sana po, pangalakan natin si Barak. So, syempre, si Kuya Dexter. Okay, once again, and there you go. That is beauty. Our soulful crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua galerata. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now guys, now beauty, show them what you've got. Paano maligo yung mga lalaki? And there you go. So they spread their wings po. Oh, isa pa daw, girl. Oh, isa pa daw, may paano naman magpakipon. Ayan na nga. Palakpakan natin si Beauty. Guys, so ganyan na po sila maligaw sa wild, ha? And also, as part of Beauty's enrichment, kakatoos look around in branches to exercise or to play around just to ease their boredom. So ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng mga kakatoo kapag sila ay nababaguan? And there you go. Ikot-ikot lang yung ginagawa nila kapag sila ay nababagot. And yes po, nababagot po yung mga kakamis natin, ha? Dahil yung mga pa. That is Zygo Dr. Feeding Action. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. And syempre, ang kanyang paborito na snacks, na sunflower seeds. And that's all for Beauty. Palakpakan natin si Beauty Fox. Okay, pag-break lang. Mukhang gusto ka mag-exhibition. Ay, Beauty. Akin ang Beauty. Sige na, uwi na tayo, girl. Ay, mukhang ayaw. Mukhang gusto ka mag-stay ng 2 hours ni Beauty ngayong hapon. Okay, Beauty. Okay, uwi na tayo, girl. Eh, nag-aantay yung mga next animal ambassador natin, oh. Alam mo nga ang ayaw na, ay, there you go. Palakpakan natin si Beauty, guys. And syempre, there you go. Palakpakan natin si Jumbo. Please, once again, that is Jumbo, our umbrella crested kakatu, with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. Now, guys, did you know that sulfur kakatu's build their nests using twigs and small branches? Unlike other birds that build their nest using leaves, ano yung hapon? Ipapakita ni Jumbo ang kanilang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. Ini po yung magsisilbing props natin ngayong hapon. Pero bago yan, we need one lucky adult guest or volunteer. Sino may gusto? Adult yung kailangan natin ngayong hapon. Taas kamay. Anyone? Huwag kayong matakot, okay? Ayun yung adult yung kailangan natin. Ayun si Sir na nakapik. Okay, Sir. Dala ka lang po ng paper bill. Ayun yung paper bill po lang. 20, 50, 100. So guys, palakpakan natin si Sir for taking up the challenge. Okay, paper bill lang po yung kailangan natin, Sir. Ayan. Okay, Sir, napita lang natin si Kuya Sara. Si Kuya Sara yung bahala kung ano yung gagawin natin ngayong hapon. Ayan na, may 50 peso. Si Sir the paper money. Ay, mukhang natakot na yung hapon si Jumbo. Okay, Sir, relax ka lang, Sir, ha? Siyempre, lilipat yan si Jumbo papunta sa iyo, Sir. Okay, mga kilo, pupula mo tayo, mabin, Sir. Dami na tayo ng konti. Ayan, okay now, Jumbo, take it now, back. Get the paper money. Yes! Okay, kunin natin yung pera, boy. Balik kay Kuya Richie, and there you go. So, kailan po sila mag-gather ng twigs and branches sa wild guys para sa kanilang nesting po. Okay, at syempre, babalik yan ni Jumbo ngayong hapon. And, okay, balik yung pera, boys. Balik naman kay Kuya Richie. There you go, guys. Palakpakan natin si Sir for taking up the challenge. Sir, thank you so much po. Okay naman tayo kaya. Galing pa po ito ng the rainforest, the Calao, the southern Rufus Hornbill, na silang
Mr. para makita.
There you go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our southern Rufus Hornbill, with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills are ang kanilang mga tuka in 2 prices. 30% of its body. And also, they have a long and beautiful eyelashes po na kung makikita po natin sa malapitan. At ngayong hapon, magpapakitang-kila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout, fly. Okay, what's the word? Now let's practice first at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and more energy, more power at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and ready na yung mga bisita natin, mga Kuya Sara, Kuya Dexter. Ready ba natin mga Kalano, folks? Prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and what a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that that in the wild? You are so very lucky because they are actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po yung mga lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas 2, 3, and that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our son and Rufus Hornbill, also known as Dang Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin sila. And syempre, ating mga foggy trainer, Kuya Dexter, and si Kuya Cyril po. Okay na po? Talon sila after secondary means of locomotion. Okay, now for our next animal, I have some question po muna sa inyo. Okay, now for our first question, what animal is believed to have 9 lives? Pusa, Irene, perfect. Okay, second question. Palawan Bearcat with a scientific name of Arctictis binturong, or locally known as binturong po. And did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it's a prehensile in nature? The definition is... There you go, that is prehensile tail in action, and they are doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan natin si Teddy, please. Thank you so much, Teddy. Now, direct your attention to your right side to naman. Older brother of Teddy, folks. By the way, guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines, standing using their 2 hind legs like a bear. At ipapakita yan ni Uno. Perfect. Now, for our last question. Anong tawag sa mga grupo ng frugivore? Okay, sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yun? Frugivore. Frugi meaning fruits, vorvorous meaning eater po. Okay? Frugivore or frugivorous. Ayan, from the Park and Zoo as one of your tourist destination here at Metro Davao. Kaya naman, palakpakan natin yung ating mga sarili. Maraming salamat po. Okay? Despite sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas na nandito pa rin, maraming the fan favorite. Now may I call on ang napakapoging si Daniel. Palakpakan po natin si Daniel, guys. So imagine that, ngayong hapon, makakasama natin si Daniel. Once again, Daniel. Uy, Daniel. Piolo. Sino? Django? Sino? Alden? Ha? Asan? Likod. Mga gusto mo. Folks, ulit-ulit ko pong sasabihin sa inyo guys that we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At sabi po ng mga kuya natin, wala daw po si Daniel sa likuran, guys. At baka nakatakas daw po si Daniel, okay? Baka nandito na po si Daniel sa ating harapan. Maybe check under your seats na may baka nasa tabi nila ngayong hapon si Daniel. At kung ano mang makita niyo po, just relax lang po tayo, ha? Yung mga kuya na po yung bahala kay Daniel. Okay guys, please, tulungan niyo po kami hanapin si Daniel. Baka mapagalitan po kami sa aming boss. Mga kuya, wala ba si Daniel dyan mga kuya? Kuya Dexter? Guys, kung ano mang makita niyo folks, relax lang po tayo, okay? Si Kuya Dexter na po yung bahala kay Daniel pag makita niyo na folks. At kinonfirm na nga ni Kuya Dexter, guys, ayan na nga, there you go, that is Daniel, our Burmese Python, our gentle giant, o diba? Sabi ko nga kanina, siya yung artista, tinitianan sa mga bisita natin na hindi pa nakapag-experience maghawak ng snakes. Panahon nila nahawakan si Daniel. Hintayin nyo lang na makalapit si Kuya Dexter po sa inyo, okay? Huwag kayong matakot, huwag kayong mag-alala. Already trained na yan si Daniela. But syempre, be gentle lang po. Nasasaktan din po yung ating mga ahas guys. Okay? Pero sa nakikita ko mukhang yung mga kilos ang yung natatakot kay Daniel ngayong hapon. Kasi nakikita ko sa mga bisita natin, Kuya Dexter, tatapang nila ngayong hapon. Masubukan nga mamaya kung matapang ba talaga. Ma'am Barbara from Surigao, palakpakan natin si Bobby. Reach up to 12 feet long and 90 kilograms. Kaya si Daniel dito is around 10 to 15 kilograms po. Kaya medyo may pagkamabigay.